Good morning. Today is April 29th, and here is a quick update for the Martin, St. Lucie, and Palm Beach County areas. And in the past 24 hours, we've added 226 new listings to the market. 198 homes have sold, and we have 37 listings coming soon. The 30-year rate is 3.11%, the VA is 2.75%, and the jumbo loans are 3.12%, and that's according to bankrate.com. I want to talk about an open house and a new listing that I have coming up this Saturday from 1 to 4, and this is at 8879 Southeast Marina Bay. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage, 2,460 square foot home. It is a lakefront view, and it has a deeded boat dock, a private pool, lots of other features like renovated bathrooms, open kitchen, great room with vaulted ceilings. This home can accommodate a large boat and has a 16,000 pound boat lift. And just a little bit about Marina Bay. It is located off of Gomez Avenue and Crossrip Street. So if you're taking A1A into Hobe Sound, there's Crossrip right there, and it runs all the way into Marina Bay. And about the community, Marina Bay features a community clubhouse, community pool, as well as a community room. The HOA is $205 a month, and it is listed at $1.1 million. So if you have any questions about this property, you can click on the link in the comments for more details, or you can also give me a call. My phone number is area code 772-999-1979. And if you have any questions about this one or any other properties, we do have a lot more coming on the market here pretty soon. So please do give me a call, and I hope you have a great day.